Homemade Spanish sardines in olive oil. Ingredients: 1 pound sardines fresh or frozen, 1 tablespoon rock salt, 1/4 cup olives green of black, 1 cup olive oil, 5 pices red chili, 5 cloves garlic crushed, 1 tablespoon whole peppercorn, 1/4 cup bay leaves, 4 or more cups water. Instructions: cut the head and tail and remove the gut of the sardines. Pile and arrange evenly the sardines at the bottom of the cooking pot. Then spread evenly the carrots, peppercorns, chili, bay leaves, olives and garlic. Sprinkle with salt. Pour water and olive oil and do not mix or stir. See to it that the sardines are submerged in water, so add some as needed. Bring it to a boil over low-medium heat for about 45 minutes or longer until fish is fully cooked and the sauce is reduced until only the oil is left.